YouTube family, it's your girl Nesuli bringing you good vibes only. Now, this is a little segment I've been meaning to do for a while now. It's just that I didn't have the means per se, I guess. Whatever. Yeah, your girl is a brokey. Okay, anyway, so the segment is taste test videos, whereby I'll just be trying out like new foods or maybe something that has just been prepared differently. So today, for our first ever short, I'll be trying pickled vegetables. So this is a local recipe my dad like okay, he basically told me what to do. So technically I made it, but it was my dad's idea. So I made it yesterday. Apparently it's supposed to sit in the fridge for about 24 hours. Yeah, so we have, I think I'll just show you like a picture of what it looks like inside, but we have what is this? We have cucumbers, bell peppers, and onions. Now I don't mind pickles, like I love them on burgers and potato salad or whatever. But like this is like homemade. So I'm a bit, you know, I'm a picky eater. So yeah, but anyways, let's see if it actually worked out.
I think I'll start. Should I start with an onion first? Isn't that I like onions, I do. But this one looks so big. And like raw onions, Ooh. There's a kick to it. Not bad. Not bad. Let me try. Wait, did I mention that there are carrots? Yeah, there are carrots. Let me see. Okay. I think I actually prefer the onion. Let's try the cucumber. Now generally I like cucumbers. Now let's see how it tastes pickled. Not bad. Not bad. Bye guys. Until next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. Bye bye. Deuces.